Dear students of English literature, today in this lecture 2 English version lecture, our topic is the theme of the play The Merchant of Venice, a well-known play that is written by William Shakespeare. Students, we will study the theme of this play into two lectures in part 1. Love and friendship we are going to study now. Students, this theme is to be studied as it is very important and so many questions are based on it, and many parts of this story you can understand very well if you go through this theme of the play. Let's begin. The first part is love. A Shakespearean romantic comedy is a tale of love. It has humor as well as a happy ending. Following the tradition of a comedy, The Merchant of Venice has love as its main theme. You have a main theme, love, in this play. There are 3 love stories in the play. Let's begin with the first love story. First is the love story of Portia and Bassanio. In the beginning of the play, Bassanio appears to be a fortune hunter who wants to marry Portia because her riches, although he loves Portia too. But later, Brutus Portia, he shows that he has been charmed by the numerous qualities of Portia and he becomes very poetical. His love for Portia is also tested in the lottery of cascades, where he is not deceived by the outer appearance. Portia too in love with Bassanio. When Nerissa reminds her of Bassanio, she remembers him and agrees with her that he would be the most suitable husband for her. In this way, we come to know that Portia also loves Bassanio. He would be the most suitable husband for her. When Bassanio comes to try his luck at the lottery of his cascades, she becomes poetic in comparing him to Hercules and herself to Heroine, who was being offered as a sacrifice to the sea monster. Students, Portia becomes extremely thrilled when Bassanio succeeds in choosing the right cascade. She displays her concern for Antonio when she sacrifices her own short-lived material bliss and sends away Bassanio to Venice for her money to save Antonio's life, because she thinks it is Antonio because of whom she was going to achieve her right husband. Students, there is a second story, the second love story, that is between Jessica and Lorenzo. Their love is romantic, lyrical and poetic. It is contrasted with more sober, self-sacrificing love of Portia. I mean to say, the love of Jessica is little bit different from the love of Portia and Bassanio. The love of Portia was very sober, but this is not. It is her deep love for Lorenzo. Lorenzo is a Christian and Jessica is the daughter of Shylock, who is a Jew. They fell in love with each other. Jessica, to disregard religious distinction and accept a Christian as her husband, she risks everything she has and elopes with him. Means this was the intensity of love between them. She even betrays her father for the sake of her love. Lorenzo too loves Jessica and is firm in his resolve to remain always devoted to her. Students, now let's have a third story related to this first point of the theme. As was the culture of Elizabethan society, the servants initiated the manners and actions of their masters. Because they have good influence on their servants, the love between Nerissa and Gratiano belongs to this tradition. Means Nerissa, the servant of Portia, and Gratiano, the servant of Bassanio, and there is a love between them too. Nerissa announces her love for Gratiano after Bassanio wins Portia's hand in the lottery cascades. In the lottery of the cascades, however, there is contrast between the love story of Nerissa and Gratiano. You can understand. And the other 2 love stories. In the case of Nerissa and Gratiano, though they have a liking for each other, there is no favor of intensity. There is no fervor of intensity in their love. It is rather a prosaic love, as both of them are guided by common sense. Students, you came to know the sentence they were guided by the common sense means love have a deep and passionate love that is not relate to the common sense. That's why it is said. Now let's begin the second part, friendship and loyalty. Students, in this you will say most of the characters are related to friendship and loyalty. Let's begin with the opening scene of the play The Merchant of Venice. When we see Antonio coming, we see his friends standing there and talking about the sadness of Antonio. Beside the theme of love, the theme of friendship and loyalty is interwoven in the main plot of the play. Antonio is a rich merchant and prosperous merchant. His intimate friend Bassanio is a spendthrift enjoying his life to the full. Antonio and Bassanio share a loving bond of friendship. Bassanio speaks of Antonio as the dearest friends to me, the kindest man, and associates him with the ancient Roman honor. Lorenzo and Portia talk highly of the love between Antonio and Bassanio. They are a mark of friendship. It is Antonio's love for Bassanio that makes him disregard Bassanio's spendthrift and frivolous nature, and he tries to his best to give him money even when he has not ready with him. It is said to Antonio. He signs up his life in the bond to Shylock. Bassanio reciprocates his love. Now students, there is a second turn. In the beginning, Antonio shows greatest love to Bassanio. Now Bassanio reciprocates. Reciprocates means gives love in change to Bassanio. Antonio. Bassanio reciprocates his love and loyalty for Antonio. He is constantly tortured with the anxiety of hearing of Antonio's miserable plight and rushes to Venice to save his friend's life, not even his marriage to Portia. And the rejoicing keep him away from his friend. Now students, we see there is a third part of loyalty and friendship. We notice a glimpse of the theme of the loyalty in Shylock too. Now you will be surprised how we can say so. Shylock is a miser who cares for nothing except money, yet he is loyal to his religion and race. And there may be an important question on the basis of his love based on religion, race and money. Jessica, Shylock's daughter, betrays her father and displays love and loyalty for Lorenzo. It is the fourth part of this love and of this friendship and loyalty. Portia's loyalty for her husband compels her to save Antonio from the clutches of Shylock. Students, in this way we came to know the parts of love and the parts of the theme friendship and loyalty in this lecture 2 part 1. In students, we will study and go through love of wealth, justice and mercy, appearance and loyalty in lecture 2 part 2. I hope students you have gone through this lecture very well and you have understood everything. Please to keep on watching English literature and grammar, please subscribe your own channel or ऐसी classes of English language. Please comment, share and like so that we may improve more than this. Thanks.